Volatility is back. We ran a great financial planning workshop this morning, was able to help educate numerous clients throughout the valley, came back to the office, ran 2 financial planning appointments, and in the span of those appointments, we watched the market shift 700 total points. From being down almost as much as 600 to start the day to finishing the trading day up over 250. That's crazy, right? It reminds us of days back in 2008, 2009, 2011. And what do we know when we see this kind of volatility in the markets? We know that a downturn is likely to come. Here's what you need to know. Your portfolio value on a day-to-day basis doesn't really matter. What matters is securing your lifetime income. Here at Life Advisors, we try to do our best to help educate clients on being able to make up the difference in what they need to live a comfortable life versus what they have currently coming through the door. What that means is you don't have to worry about the day-to-day swings if your income is guaranteed. That's how we help lead people's financial education here at Life Advisors. So if you'd like to find out how to build your financial plan to guarantee your income for life, check us out at lifeadvisors.com. That's life spelled with a Y. We're helping lead one financial education at a time.